Hey guys, me again. Another quick video of another thing I'm going to put on the Jeep that I got in the other day. They're a wild boar grab handles. A couple holes. Comes with hardware and spacers. Most of you probably got these, but they kind of go like something like that up against there on both sides. So I'm gonna put one on. I think you just need a 13mm socket for the install. It's pretty straightforward. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. The set comes with two sizes of screws. This is for the top, and the longer one is for the side. Then use the corresponding spacers. For the top, use a smaller one. For the side, use a longer one. I already put the top one in. I think you just need an Allen key to tighten it. It kind of sits like that, and then you can see where the Allen key will go to tighten it. Leave it loose right now until you get the one on the side, and then tighten it down with an Allen key. I'll be back to show you the finished product. See ya! Yeah, there you have it. That's the way it looks. Just like that. You get the top one over there. That one right there. It's pretty sturdy. That's it. Pretty quick, simple. I got them online. I forgot how much I paid for them. Anyways, if you like, subscribe, thumbs up, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching.